Stay focused.
Autopilot is revolutionary, but it can't cover every edge case. That's why you still need to keep your eyes on the road. NeuroHUD syncs with Tesla's built-in navigation, blind spot alerts, and takeover warnings. It brings key driving information into your line of sight through a clean, minimal interface. You can configure it for either windshield projection or a far-field virtual image mode. No looking down, no turning your head. Keep your attention where it belongs. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay $350 for Tesla's HomeLink anymore. NeuroHUD includes it at no extra cost. It combines RF remote control with GPS, learns your garage signal, and lets you open it with a button, or automatically as you pull up to home. NeuroHUD requires no disassembly and no wiring modifications. Just clip the compute module behind the screen, plug in USB power, and you're up and running. Easier than plugging in a phone charger. It doesn't touch the factory wiring harness. Using adaptive screen-reading AI camera, plus Tesla's official API, NeuroHUD integrates cleanly with your Tesla for a true plug-and-go experience. NeuroHUD uses a TFT LCD with peak brightness up to 1500 nits. Combined with a single reflection optical design to minimize brightness loss, it stays clear and readable even in harsh backlight, and fully compatible with sunglasses. NeuroHUD isn't just a display, it's a community-driven project. With our UI editor and creator community, you can design, customize, and share your own HUD layouts. Make what matters bigger, hide what doesn't. From blind spot alerts to phone notifications, keep the essentials clear at a glance and stay in control. It's your HUD on your terms. NeuroHUD also supports OTA updates. We'll keep rolling out updates to stay compatible with future software changes and add practical new features. Follow our weekly dev updates in the community. Your feedback will directly shape what we build next. Stay focused. Stay in control.